selfish, but when I come to Unveiled, I come for things that I want, and I saw this, and this is current Model P Smart Pizza Oven. I have Anna here with me to talk about, which looks very fascinating. This is fully functioning and operating. You can see the light here. Anna, what am I looking at here?
Yeah, of course. So this is the Model P Smart Pizza Oven, and it's really the first Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected pizza oven. It can be used both indoors and outdoors, so very, very versatile. And the design of the Model P ensures a uniform heat. So we have both graphite and cow rod heating elements, and we have a proprietary algorithm, so you really don't need to open the door and turn the pizza. And it gets incredibly hot, so you can see right now it is 850 degrees Fahrenheit. That is really the highest temperature of any electric pizza oven. So Neapolitan style pizzas are ready in just 2 minutes.
Neapolitan pizzas can be done here.
Yes, my favorite.
Wow.
Yep, just 2 minutes.
What I love here also is like, okay, I'm not telling you should touch the top, but the fact that it's at 850 and I can safely, touch this is actually a good thing, because something that gets that hot, you wouldn't normally want to stay away from.
Exactly, incredible insulation.
Yes.
You can see your pizza cooking through the double pane glass. And then with this app, you can also use it to customize your pizzas. Let's say we start it says starting timer, and there it goes. So now it's cooking your customized Neapolitan pizza and be ready in just 2 minutes.
Now, I'm just gonna visualize that there is a really tasty pizza inside here. I'm like, dang it, they got me. I'm like, are there samples here? No, not today. Question about this, when is this gonna actually be available for consumers?
Yeah, so it'll be available in Q2 of this year, and it'll be priced at $599. We'll also launch additional accessories such as covers, pizza peels, pizza cutters, gloves, you name it, we'll have it.
Wow, I gotta love this thing. Remember, don't sleep on this. Indoor and outdoor. And Neapolitan pizzas, whoo. It's getting me hungry, but I'm sure I'll find something else to eat out here. So thank you so much, Anna, appreciate it.
Thank you so much,
Cool.
appreciate it.
If you want to see more awesome tech, check out all of our CES social channels. There are plenty of big things coming. You don't want to miss it.